everyone, this is Susan. Today I wanted to introduce our B220 paper bag making machine to you. This is a sample, but we didn't put the bottom glue for you, so just to show you the bag sample. This is with some buckle, okay? Now let me show you the machine running. Okay, now what you can see is the roll feeding part. This is the hydraulic roll feeding part, fully automatic, up and down. Now let material go ahead. Now what you can see is a rise tension controller. This is a rise EPC control system to control the material in the right place. Now let material go ahead. What we can see here is water glue, side glue. Then material folding by here. Now in order to show you more clearly, I have already changed the machine speed to 50 pieces per minute. How many speed what you want, you can increase the speed by this touch screen. And here is a mode here, and this one is 220, so mode is fixed, only one mode here. This is the propulsion part, and the red one is the cutting unit, and the standing part, creasing part to make this bag creasing by here. And here open the mouth. Bottom mouth, bag bottom mouth. Later we can see this is a big drum which made by our CNC center. This one is most important part. The quality is very important by here. And here you can see the two roller. We made the bottom glue by here. And this is a sample machine, so we didn't add the glue here. Just to show you this glue we will add here. Then let's go ahead. Now you can see the bag forming by here. Okay, let's go ahead. Now you can see the bag finish. How many bags you want to collect in one package, you can adjust in the touch screen. Okay. The machine quality is most important. There are some parts from this machine, just like a big drum and a cutting knife. Also some other important parts, mold. It's very important. So our boss import the CNC center just like Majaka and Ocumer from Japan. You can see our backside, many CNC center. Around 80 sets for CNC center. So this is our Ounuo brand paper bag making machine. Future, if you need this kind of paper bag machine, please feel free to contact with me by WhatsApp or email. Thank you.